For questions 33 to 35, it wants us to evaluate the expression. So I'm actually going to put my own equal sign here, and I'm going to use a question mark. You can use an X. I'll probably use X on the next one. But basically we are still doing the same thing. We're still transforming these. So this would be 4 raised to what is equal to 64. And that would be 3. You want to raise 4 to the third power to get 64. With 34, we have log base 2 of 2. So I'm going to set this equal to, I'll use X, but again you could use question mark. So I want to transform it. And this is going to be 2 raised to the x is equal to 2. So 2 raised to what gives me 2? That would be 1. For number 35, I'll set this equal to x. And if we transform it, and when that transforms, it's 6 raised to x is equal to the entire 6 raised to 5. So this is going to be 6 raised to x is equal to 6 raised to 5. So 6 raised to what is equal to 6 raised to 5? A lot of people get this question wrong because they kind of overthink it. It's just going to be 5 because 6 raised to 5 is equal to 6 raised to 5. So it's kind of good to not overthink that one. So there's actually a lot of properties with these. So if you look at the box below these, you can kind of see some of the properties. If you look at 39, it says use a calculator to evaluate the expression to 4 decimal places. So on your calculator, if you just type in log of 50, and they want 4 places, so this would be 1.6990. So it is important to note that logarithms are functions, and they really just give you a number. So log of 50 is equal to 1.6990. It's just a number.